Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. Today I will be looking at the Renogy 100 watt starter kit featuring my dog. I ordered a second solar suitcase from Amazon and they sent me a Renogy 100 watt starter kit. After messaging them, they refunded me and told me to keep, donate or discard the panel, which was very kind of them. I'll happily use a free solar panel, even if it is one of the uglier panels that Renogy make. On the box we can see that I was sent an RNG KIT starter 100D Hi Doggy WND 30. This is a Renogy starter kit with a 100 watt panel and a Wanderer 30 amp PWM solar charge controller. Here is the 100 watt panel. Immediately I can feel the edges of this solar panel are not smooth, and in places, like the corners, they're quite sharp, unlike the folding panel. Behind the panel is a box containing 6mm cables, with one end having an MC4 connector. This will be quite useful. There are also 2 more 6mm cables. These have an I connector instead of MC4. There's 2 Renogy powered stickers and a Renogy Wanderer 12 volt 30 amp 400 watt PWM solar charge controller with its manual. Sadly, I can't use this without buying another battery. There is another box with mounting hardware, and lastly, there is the warranty and support information. On the back of the panel, there are some short MC4 cables labeled plus and minus. I have gotten these MC4 splitters to connect my 2 panels in parallel, which will be ideal for my setup. Sadly, I didn't take footage of my testing, but I do have some results to share with you using my Bluetti EB3A power station. Here is the 100 watt solar suitcase, and it generates an amazing 98 watts in October. And here is the Renogy silver 100 watt panel making only 80 watts and the exact same day. While not bad, this panel doesn't perform as well as the suitcase on its own. This panel is quite low voltage as well, at only 18.6 volts, which drags down the power of my system, meaning that I can't generate more than 158 watts, which I would see on my Bluetti. This is compared to the 172 watts the system would have gotten. I'm very happy, however, to have what is an impressive boost to my system, going from 98 to 158 watts. On most sunny days, I can even run my dehumidifier for a few hours and then charge the batteries back up before the sun goes down. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I look forward to sharing more updates on my solar adventures. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!